So for this problem, it says, for 5 weeks, Jim pays $2 a week for lottery tickets. Jim has one winning ticket for $5. Write an expression that describes his net gain or loss. How much money has Jim won or lost? Okay, so we're talking about this guy likes to buy lottery tickets, right? And he spends $2 a week for 5 weeks, and that's it, right? He spends $2 a week for 5 weeks, and out of all of that, he's only won once, and he won $5. So we want to figure out how much money in the end has he either won or lost. Okay, so if you gain money, that's always a positive number. If you lose money, that's a negative number. So if he's spending $2, that's $2 that he's losing that is out of his pocket. So that is a -2, right? So he said that he spent $2 a week for 5 weeks. So that $2 that he spent is a -2. And the fact that he did it for 5 weeks means that we need to take that -2 and multiply it by 5. And that's going to give us how much money he has spent over those 5 weeks. But now we got to include the money that he actually gained. And it said that he had one winning ticket for $5. So we're going to add $5 to this. So we're just going to say plus 5. So this is the expression, right? It said write an expression that describes his net gain or loss. This is it. He spent $2 for 5 weeks, and then he won $5, so the plus 5. So then it says how much money has he won or lost. So we actually need to calculate this and figure out what this is equal to. And if we're going to do that, we do need to follow order of operations, which says to multiply before we add. So -2 times 5 gives us a -10. And if we take that -10 and add the 5 that he won, well, -10 plus 5, different signs subtract, take the sign of the bigger. So in all, over the span of the 5 weeks, he has lost $5 overall. Otherwise, that's it for this video.